Hey guys, we're gonna go on another little. We're going on an adventure. We're gonna go to where is it? Wilderness Lakes in Menifee. It's about a 44-minute drive. We're gonna stay there for 2 nights. And how do you know George is watching?
Because he watches.
Oh, I don't know who George is. All right, so here we go. Hey, look at that. What? What? Why'd I get smacked?
I'm scared of what you're gonna say.
I was gonna say that. There it is. There's a chicken farm over here too. We are out in the sticks.
And in that first come first service, we didn't come soon enough.
Yeah, probably not. So let's.
No, honey, way down.
Okay. What does that say?
Wilderness Lakes, a quarter mile ahead.
Okay.
Use second entrance. Check.
Where's the first entrance?
That was it.
Oh.
Here's the country store.
What's this say?
No, honey, don't check in here.
Okay.
Go up a quarter mile.
What's that lady doing? She's sitting here. Oh, look at nice little golf course.
Mini golf.
Your destination is on the right.
Entrance. Entrance number 2.
I don't see one there.
No, I don't see me either. New check-ins, left lane. Alright, I am a new check-in. Alright, let's see here. Welcome to Wilderness Lakes. Please stop and register to provide the following. Proof insurance, proof membership card. Oh, membership. I'm gonna stop this video. Okay, peeps. I'm gonna go on a little walk. We're here. Got a nice little area by the lake. I'm gonna go for a little walk here. They asked us if we wanted to get a
Membership?
membership. I don't know. It's 1,000 Trails membership. I don't know. This.
$500.
How much was it?
500 and something.
Huh.
But you get 30 nights for free, and then $4 nights after that. I don't know how that works.
I don't know. This place is kind of run down a little bit. What, Ukaipa and what is the regional park we were just at?
Yeah.
What was that park we were just at?
Harupa
Harupa Park.
seem to have a little more grassy areas
More,
and stuff.
yeah. Lake was a little nicer. We're gonna go check out the pool, see what we're dealing with over there. See what it looks like.
Are y'all full timers?
No, not at all. Not yet. Not yet.
Not yet.
Not yet. Wanna be?
There's still hope, huh?
Yeah, there's still hope.
Yeah.
Are you?
Pretty close. Sort of.
What, sweet girl? How long you been here?
Well, we've been here off and on, mainly on for over a year.
Don't film people in their suits? Well, there's the pool. That's the adult pool. Check that out. Let's go see if Jerry wants to move. So
My grill.
we moved 3 times.
Can you make the grill?
Yeah. So this spot I found,
Okay.
and then while I was waiting for my son, car right there to pull And I found a site 2 sites over. And I said, come on down, come on down. So he was like, oh, okay. So I parked there. I brought the motorhome down. And then, so I started pulling everything out. And I pulled the sewer thing out. And it was plugged. It was plugged. Found a stick, tried it. It was plugged. So then I had to move back over here, three sites over, hoping nobody would steal it. Threw everything in, and so now we're here. And it's a little bit better. We got trees over here to our west, so we block out some of the sun that was heating us up. So I'm gonna get the barbecue going for the girl. We're gonna have some steaks.
Come help.
We having steaks? Okay. Gotta get to work. Got Reese on the tenderizing here. What do we got here? Oh boy.
There's fire ants here.
Uh-oh. Go back in to the motorhome.
Look, Dad.
I seen them.
That's how red like your steak. Ready? I need to get mine. Baby, ours are done, but I don't know if I have a place to put them.
Pretty windy, huh? Lots of flies going on today.
I don't like. No.
So where does he go afterward? Where do you go?
It's a rotation.
Subway and what else?
Taco Bell. I forget. She's about to chew through it. Jared, I didn't even tell you.
What?
See how she chewed that? So I was doing my exercise. Record me.
Okay, I'll record me.
Doing my exercise with one of
She's
those.
doing her exercise.
With one of those rubber band things. I didn't
Hey,
know it,
don't pull out of her.
but she was chewing it. As I was working, all of a sudden it snapped and broke it.
What rubber band
She
thing do you
was-
have?
She was down there going.
What rubber band thing did you have?
I got it from my mom's house.
Oh, and you were using it?
Exercise band.
And she chewed it to where...
While I was using it, and I didn't know she was doing it. All of a sudden, I had 2 halves in my hand. What were you doing to her? She
Oh
didn't-
no.
I was on all fours.
You
and
see
it was
that
wrapped around my
stuff
leg, and I
on
was doing
YouTube.
that,
What
pushing
the heck?
Mom.
So let's go for a walk.
Her bite, her furnace.
We're gonna check out the kiddie pool. The sun's right behind me.
Go. It's a race. It's a race. Reese is winning.
Uh-oh, Reese, you're way out in
It's
front.
taking longer stride.
Reese, you better hurry up. She's catching you.
Uh-oh. Reese,
Uh-oh, Reese pulls out in front. And here comes the finish line.
Whoa. Come on,
Too
Peyton,
funny.
you almost had it. Ow.
What are those for? Oh, this is so if you get going too fast, the flies don't hit your hands.
Look at all the baby geese. Look at
Oh, wow.
1, 2, 3 sets.
Let's go see. Hey, guys. Wow. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I see you. Yeah, I see you. Oh. Careful, Allie. They'll get you. Okay, come on. Hurry up. Go on, peeps. Go on. Look at the miniature golf course.
No, stop. No, you're ruining it, Dad. It's not.
Allie Parker, what do you think about those? Yeah, it's not funny, Reese.
Tina, you alright? Look at
That's it.
Hi, I'm fine.
Well, it's morning. We didn't do much last night. We just watched TV and had a little fire, and then my little fire pit, and then went in and went to bed around about 9:30. I was pooped. I don't feel very good. So today I think we're gonna do miniature golf, maybe go swimming later on. And Jerry went to work this morning at 5. He's about 20 minutes away at Elsinore. So that's the plan. Jerry's in there making breakfast, I guess. I'm out here keeping the dog company. Just relaxed today. I'm not feeling very good. We'll take some Motrin, I think.
Because you're 6 yellow, Mom. 2 for Mom.
Get 2 for Mom.
Okay, grab the
We
yellow
are
ball and switch
playing
to the ball.
miniature golf for
Look at your
$5
pool
bucks.
is yellow. Mine's pink and I got a pink
really
ball.
match?
Yeah.
We really do? Whose is this?
That's me.
Look what I stepped in.
What did you step in?
That's,
Ooh.
goose glue.
So we're gonna see how this turns out. $5 is the winner.
10.
Wait a minute.
10
I'm
bucks.
red.
10 bucks.
No, it's
Jaden
5.
says. Come on, Dad.
No, I'm a cheapskate. But if I win, then I pay myself. I'm not digging that. All right, so I'll let you know how things go at the end of here, or I'll remind myself. Who's winning?
I don't know myself.
I think so. There's a hole 17. It all comes down to the crunching the numbers here. So, what was that? Are you gonna make a 6?
This is gonna be 4.
This will be 4?
Yeah, I'm getting that.
No, you only. That's 3. You will. Turn out the camera. Come on. You can miss it. Really? Was that 4, Peyton?
Write it. I want to see.
I won the pool. Terry won the golf. So she beat me by 4 strokes. So she wins. She says $10. We agreed on 5, but now it's 10. So whatever. She gets what she wants. Let me hit the pool here. Left the dog in the RV. Left the AC on. She was asleep anyway. She's pooped. So we're gonna do the pool right now and come back. And then Jerry will be off work. So we're gonna enjoy ourselves here. Pretty nice pool. I like it. How's that?
That was nice. Let's go play a miniature golf again. This
Not
time the
repeat.
winner gets $2.
We'll go in the morning.
Winner gets $2.
We'll go back see if Allie's being a good girl. Hopefully she's still sleeping. We'll go see. So we're leaving today, and it's about 10 o'clock, and we just played another round of golf before we leave. Next trip, not sure. Probably going in June up the coast of California, down the coast of California, up the center, down the coast. So that's our next plans. Not sure if I'm going to do anything to the RV in the meantime. Maybe get some new batteries. Maybe not, I don't know. We'll see. Every set up. Don't need to buy any more stuff. So, would I come back here again? I don't know. Kind of expensive for what you get. But the golf was free. Pool's nice. I don't know, the gooses or something else, but for wild birds, what do you expect? Allie had a good time. Did you have a good time, Reese? Yeah. Yeah? Did you like it better than Rancho Harupa?
No.
No, I agree. Anyway, so we're gonna head on out. Drink some coffee and head on out and call it a quits. We'll wrap it up. See what the women say. Did you like it, Teresa? Did you have fun? Katie, did you have fun?
Sorry.
Okay. Well, take it easy, guys.